After you have gone through a successful interview and you have paid the green card fees and you relocate to the United States, are you supposed to go to USCIS office to apply for the green card? That's what I'm about to talk about. So the diversity visa process, I can say it has two stages. And the first stage is for you to apply in the lottery for the chances of getting selected. And getting selected simply means being appointed or being chosen among the many for you to start the process of applying for a green card visa. That's what it simply means. So after you have realized that you have been selected, now is the time that you apply for the green card visa. Get that point right. You start applying for the green card visa. And that might happen in two different ways. The first way is for those that during checking the results, they were on a temporary visa to the United States. That is to mean a non-immigrant visa, and therefore they are in the United States on a temporary stay. At the time they are checking the results, they are in the United States. The second category is those that when they are checking the results are outside of the United States. So these two groups are a group of the people who might realize they have been selected for the green card lottery process. Now, having known those two groups, now which one of them are you? If you are in the United States on a temporary visa, at the time you check for the results, for you, you are supposed to fill an application form for the green card. And that form is I-485 form. It is an equivalent of the DS-260 form for those that are outside of the United States. And therefore, this brings to my second point. If you are out of the United States at the time of checking the results, then the second process is the application for the green card visa. And you do that by filling the form DS-260 form. So that form is called the immigrant visa application form. And that form, it is the form that you fill to apply for the green card itself. If you are in the United States and you fill the form I-485, that form is called the adjustment of status form. So the adjustment of status form for the green card winners that are on a temporary visa in the United States is an equivalent of a DS-260 form of those people who are outside of the United States at the time they're checking the results. So have you gotten that point correctly? Those two ways. So of which category are you in? Now, after you have filled the form DS-260 for those that are outside of the United States, the next process is for you to wait for your case number to become current. And after it has become current, an interview will be scheduled for you, an interview offer. And that interview, you are going to attend for it at the United States Embassy or the consulate's office. And then you go there with the requirements, that is the proof documents and whatever is required, together with the visa fee, and you go through the interview. And once you are successful, it means that the consulate or the consular officer has given a go-ahead to the Department of State to proceed with the processing of your green card, that is under the USCIS. And therefore, after you have passed the interview, you are required to pay for the green card fee. When you pay the green card fee, then the USCIS will go ahead and start processing your green card. You don't have to do nothing more after a successful interview. After you've paid the green card fee, which is normally $220 US, after you've paid that, that is over with you applying for the green card. Then you relocate to the US, and then you just wait for the green card to be sent to the permanent address that you indicated on the DS260. So after you have gone through the interview and you have passed and you have paid the green card fee, you are not supposed to go to any office once you land in the United States for you to apply for the green card. No. By you filling the DS260 form and gone through the interview successfully and paid the fees, that is over. You just wait for your green card to arrive at the permanent address that you indicated on the DS260 form. I hope I've explained that well. Now, let's come to the other part. For those that are in the United States on a temporary visit, after you have filled the form I-485, that is the adjustment of status form, then you wait for you to be scheduled for the interview. And when you are scheduled for the interview, you are supposed to submit the documents, the proof documents, the outlined documents to the USCIS office. And then when you go through the interview successfully, then you pay the green card fees. After you've paid the green card fees, then the process is over. You just wait for the green card to be sent to you, to be mailed to you at the address that you indicated. I hope I've explained clearly. And this is because someone asked if after they go through the interview and their visas have been approved and they land on the United States, if they are to go ahead to the USCIS to apply for green card. No. After the interview, you've paid the fees, it is over. You just wait for the green card. But remember this, for both the cases, you will be required to present a medical examination document. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it comes at the right time and it is resourceful. If so, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put the notification bell on to be notified. Like the video and also share. Let's meet in the next video.